Hi everyone, in this video I will show how to make pillars in 3D Max. Click on shapes and select lines. After making a straight line, I form two circles of different sizes. Then click on star. So after click on standard primitive and select compound object. Then select loft. Then click get shape in the creation method part. Then click on the big circle. I come to the path in the path parameters and turn it to 6. And click on the circle again. I repeat the same process again. This time I increase the path number and click on the small circle. Then I'm doing the same with the star as well. So after completing the upper side, I continue gradually by increasing the path numbers for the lower side. And I'm looking the perspective viewpoint. Just changing the path numbers and playing with the pillars appearance. Thank you for watching.